and welcome to another adult craft kit tutorial. This month we will be making a paper leaf wreath. My name is Trina and I work with the Belleville Public Library in the Information Services Department. Follow me for these guided instructions on how to make this cute and simple wreath. Provided in your kit is one wooden ring and 8 sheets of colored paper. Gather from home a bottle of glue or a glue gun, a pair of scissors, and a ruler and pencil. To begin, select your colored sheets of paper. With a ruler, begin to make 2 by 2 inch squares. In your kit, I have given you 8 pieces of colored paper, 2 sheets of each color. I wanted to give you a choice of what colors you would like to use, and that will depend on how many squares you need to cut. If you are doing one color, I would suggest cutting approximately 24 squares. If you choose 2 colors, then I would suggest doing 12 squares each. If you do 3, I would suggest 8 squares, and if you choose to do 4, then roughly 6 squares each should suffice. With your scissors, cut out your squares. Take one of your squares and fold it diagonally. With your ruler, press firmly down on the crease. Next, fold the edge of your paper slightly in. Next, flip the paper over so that the stem is on the bottom right. Next, fold the top corner down to the bottom left corner and flatten with a ruler. And then unfold. Take the bottom edge and fold it to the center crease made previously. And flatten with the ruler. And unfold. Take the top corner and fold it to the center. And flatten with a ruler. Then unfold. Flip your paper over. And now fold the top corner down to the horizontal bottom crease. Flatten it down well with your ruler, and then unfold. Now fold your bottom edge to the top horizontal crease. Flatten with a ruler, and then unfold. Fold the bottom edge to your horizontal bottom crease, essentially folding the bottom section in half. Flatten with your ruler and then unfold. Fold your top corner down to the top horizontal crease, essentially folding the top section in half. Flatten with your ruler and then unfold. Fold the bottom right corner up to the 3rd horizontal crease. After your previous fold, you will be left with a triangle in the bottom right of the paper. Round off your triangle by slightly folding the upper section. Continue rounding off your leaf by slightly folding the lower section of the triangle. Flip your paper over and repeat the previous three folds to the other side. Begin by folding the bottom left corner to the third crease. Next, round off the top and bottom sections by folding them slightly in, being sure to align them with the other folds on the other side. Unfold the top layer of the paper to open up your leaf. Trim off any excess with scissors. Take your ring and with your glue, dab a little bit onto the wooden ring. And then gently place your leaf. Keep working your way around with your origami leaves until your wreath is completed. Once your wreath is done, it should look similar to this one. Thank you for joining me this month in our adult craft kit, and I hope you enjoyed making this beautiful origami leaf wreath. Take care, and I hope you join us for our next adult craft kit. Thank you.